Welcome to Naturopathy Simplified, your go-to place for holistic health and healing. Today, we're talking about naturopathy, an ancient system of healthcare that is more relevant than ever in today's world. Naturopathy is all about using the healing power of nature to promote wellness. It focuses on supporting the body's ability to heal itself by using natural therapies like nutrition, herbal remedies, and lifestyle changes. What sets naturopathy apart is its holistic approach. Instead of just treating the symptoms of an illness, it looks at the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. This means improving overall well-being, not just targeting specific issues. In a world where chronic illnesses, stress, and lifestyle diseases are on the rise, naturopathy is becoming increasingly important. More and more people are looking for natural alternatives to conventional treatments, wanting to avoid harsh medications and side effects. Naturopathy emphasizes prevention. It's not about waiting until you're unwell. It's about living in a way that promotes health every single day. Over the next 30 days, we will experience the wonders of naturopathy, showing you how you can use simple, natural methods to boost your health and feel your best. And now, here's your tip of the day. Let's go soak in the early morning sunlight. Just 25 to 30 minutes of sun exposure within that first window after sunrise is scientifically proven to be beneficial for your eyes. This gentle morning light helps regulate your body's internal clock, boosts mood, and provides a natural dose of vitamin D, all supporting better vision and overall well-being. Stay tuned, and let's embark on this healing journey together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily tips on how to live a healthier, more balanced life naturally.